Hey, what's up? And thanks for visiting. I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today we're going to go over the AFL Mechanical Splice Kit. Now let's crack it open and let's take a look. Now the Splice Connect toolkit allows for a mechanical splice on fiber cable that provides an inexpensive, quick alternative to fusion splicing. Using V-groove technology, this splice maintains physical contact between the fibers. An assembly tool is used to ensure the fibers are mated correctly. Some of the features are quick splicing time, minimal tools, 250 and or 900 fiber capabilities. Both fiber and coating are secured independently. Don't forget that the bag of 6 mechanical splice connectors are not included. You will need to order that separately. Now you can order all this stuff online along with cable, copper cable, jacks, anything networking. Questions, call us. Number here is 888-797-3697.